ముందుగా అందరికీ క్రిస్మస్ పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు అండి. క్రిస్మస్ పండుగ అనేది ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా చాలా ఘనంగా జరుపుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. క్రిస్మస్ పండుగ ప్రతి సంవత్సరం కూడా డిసెంబర్ 25న జరుపుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. క్రిస్మస్ పండుగ సందర్భంగా శ్రీ చైతన్య స్కూల్ కందికచర్ల బ్రాంచ్లో ఘనంగా సెమీ క్రిస్మస్ వేడుకలు జరుపుకోవడం జరిగిందండి. ఈ సెమీ క్రిస్మస్ వేడుకల్లో టీచర్స్ అలాగే స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా అందరూ పాల్గొన్నారు. స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా ఘనంగా ఆటపాటలతో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారండి. అలాగే యేసుప్రభు జీసస్ గురించి మనం ముఖ్యంగా చెప్పుకోవాల్సింది 2 పాయింట్లు అండి. ప్రభు అంటే మనకు గుర్తు రావాల్సింది శాంతి, త్యాగం. యేసుప్రభు ఎప్పుడు కూడా చెప్పేది 2 పాయింట్లు అంటే తన భక్తులకు కానీ తన నమ్ముకున్న వారికి కానీ చెప్పేది 2 పాయింట్ల గురించే. అందరితో శాంతిగా ఉండాలి, అవసరమైన చోట ఖచ్చితంగా త్యాగం చేయాలి. ఎవరైతే త్యాగానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా దేనికైనా సిద్ధంగా ఉంటారండి. ప్రభు చూపిన దారిలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు నడవాలని, శాంతంగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నానండి. అలాగే మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ, మా స్టాఫ్ అందరికీ శ్రీ చైతన్య స్కూల్ కందికచర్ల తరఫున క్రిస్మస్ పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తున్నానండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆనంద.
Very good afternoon to everyone. So this is Ratna Kumari ma'am, working in Kandincharla branch in Sri Chaitanya School. So we are here to say few words about Christmas celebrations in our branch, that is KCL branch. So Christmas is mainly meant for how Jesus is born on this day and how Jesus came to this world to save the people from their sins. And Jesus is born on 25th. That is the happiness of all the Christians, and not only for the Christians, especially to our whole world. It is a good news to all the people that the Savior has born onto the world to sacrifice his life to save the people from their sin or bondage of sin. So on this day, every person, each person from childhood to old age, everyone will walk onto the church, they'll worship the Lord and they will glorify the Lord on this day, and they will help each other. Mainly happiness they'll share to the people, and also especially the orphans, semi-orphans and the old age people who are there in the old age homes. They'll give peace and happiness of Jesus Christ to others and to all the people. So main reason for the birth of Jesus Christ is that he has come to this world to save the people from bondage of sin, and he has sacrificed on the cross of Calvary to save the people from their sins. And not only that, the Jesus has followed the steps of truth, peace, loving, kindness, and Jesus has healed many people and saved the people from their sorrow or from their bondage of sin. So the likewise, all the people on this earth has to follow according to the steps of or fruits of Jesus Christ, that loving each other, sharing each other, showing love towards, like love your neighbors as yourself. How we are loving each other ourselves, like that only we have to love others also. So this is the main message of Jesus Christ and Jesus born onto this earth. Thank you, and especially I want to thank the Sri Chaitanya management for giving this opportunity to celebrate this semi-Christmas in this KCL branch, and especially I want to thank the principal sir, dean sir and all the teachers and also the student body, those who are involved in the semi-Christmas program, and they have performed many dances, and also some children, they have sang song about Jesus Christ and birth of Jesus Christ.
And all, my name is Saranya. I am studying 8th class in a Sri Chaitanya Techno School. Today we have celebrated a semi-Christmas in our school. I have participated in a dance, and our school conducted many programs like a singing, dancing, and I am very happy to conduct in this. Thank you.
Good evening to one and all. My name is Sadhvi Klasi. I am studying 8th class in Sri Chaitanya Techno School. Today our school conducted semi-Christmas. We participated in dance and our friends participated in singing, etc. I am very happy to participate. Thank you.
Namaskaram, na peru Varshini. Nenu Sri Chaitanya Techno School chaduvuntunna. Today Christmas celebrations దాంట్లో నా ఫ్రెండ్స్ నేను పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశాను. చాలా బాగా చేశాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good afternoon to one and all. My name is Bajasri. I am studying in 7th class in Sri Chaitanya Techno School. Today we celebrate semi-Christmas celebrations in Sri Chaitanya Techno School, Kanchinjala branch. I participate in dance. My friends and we are participate in dance.
Semi-Christmas and the Christmas wishes to each and everybody. So this is the one of the day that everybody can remember, because one of the gods of our country and one of the gods of our universe, Jesus Christ, born on the 25th December, and the man who had sacrificed his life to the people who are becoming sin our country, and he used to give the compliments to the people to live with the peace, with the great helping to the others, and the great characters to shown by the people that must be needed, and the words given by the Jesus Christ is very useful for us to live happily in our country. From Sri Chaitanya School, Techno School, we are hoping to give the blessings and the wishes to each and everybody in our country. The Kanchinjala Sri Chaitanya gives you the best wishes of Christmas. Thank you very much.